Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host, Mildred. I think I'm going to make this like a vlog style for today. I have a lot of running around to do. As you guys know, I am working on my master bedroom. The painting is done. The lighting is done. The flooring is done. So now I'm adding on the decorative pieces. The bedding is done. So I need to find artwork, mirrors, and I'm trying to find some nightstands that I like. So that might be a process. But the other day, me and my friend, we came out here to At Home, and I found two paintings. They are very pretty. However, one of them fit the space lovely. I love it. But the other one that was supposed to be a horse looks like a donkey. I'm gonna try to give you guys a snapshot of that up here, okay? So you'll see. But I'm here today at Homes to return the items and stuff. So let me go in here and return the items. I'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, I just want to show you right quick the paintings that I'm returning. It's beautiful. He just looked like a donkey. This is the other one. You see where it's defective. This got bubbles. Guys, I figured while I'm in here, why not take you guys around to see a couple of things. Okay guys, I'm finished looking around in this section, so I'm gonna take you guys through a walkthrough and let you see some beautiful pieces that I think is beautiful. We're gonna go down this aisle. If anyone has like this color in their home, that is a beautiful piece there. Give you a breeze. If you have a son's room, this is a good theme to go with. The palette theme, this is such a good theme. I've been seeing a lot of nice art decor and decor in here with that stuff. See, that's one. Look at this. Look at that. Excuse me if I sound muffled. I'm gonna take my thing down. Nobody in this aisle anyway. Yep. Just going over to the next thing. The stuff in here is more like farmhouse to me in this section. Quickly. This is a piece that I love. This one. This one. And there's one more that I absolutely love. Because I'm a neutral girl. I like neutral, beautiful tones, subtle tones. Look at there. I like that one as well. Yes. That's my stuff down there in the cart. Okay, let me see what else did they have that I think that you guys may like. Look at that. And that's the way I feel right now. I need a cup of coffee. I like paintings like this as well. Not really the cow, but the dogs that they have like that. I love that theme. I wish I had a doggy room for my babies. I would do a nice doggy theme in there for the dogs. Look at that. That is cute. Oh my God, that is so cute. Yep, guys, I'm at home for those who are just tuning in. Yeah, I found some good art pieces as well in here. Well, I got two pictures. One of them just seems to be for you Leos. Look at that. See the palette thing? Yes, for the kids room. This was the one that I purchased for my room of the horse. I thought this was beautiful, but I think it would look better if my walls were darker, because it's kind of like blending in with the walls that I don't like. And this was the other painting that I brought that I showed you guys that are like a donkey. I really like the framing. That's what made me get it. Anyhow, let me get out of here. Okay guys, I thought you guys would love to see the folk plants. Look. Beautiful. Okay guys, I think there's a few rugs that are beautiful that you might want to see, so I'm gonna let you guys see it, and then I'm gonna head on out of this store because it's too much to see in one shot. This blue is so beautiful. Texture. Look at that. So these are beautiful. I really like this one. It has all the different tones in it of grays, beige, creams. A lot of nice ones on clearance as well. For that, if you want color. For that, for bohemian. It's beautiful. I like the cut velvet ones. Okay guys, so I'm gonna head to the cashier, check out, and I'll see you guys later.